Garys and Garyettes. It is Saturday morning. The weather is being kind to us, not as sunny as yesterday.
Where are we?
There's light on the pits at Calder Park. LZ World Tour.
Yeah, it is. It's fucking popping. The vibe is unmatched right now.
Yeah.
Yesterday had our private day, it was spicy. Today, we've got the whole ring flit, everyone's stoked. But it's all happening, the crowd's starting to roll in.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yeah, there's a massive line out the front already, and the cars have only just started, so it's going to be a massive day. Mate, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Driving has just started, and look at the crowd in this joint. Half of them haven't even been let in, not even half. Not even a quarter of them have been let in yet, and it's already pumping. We have some little tinkerings to do. We got some oil coming out of the power steering reservoir there. Don't know why, probably heat or something. And then Adam LZ's car blew the turbo in half. Something like that, very close. I think they snapped the compressor wheel off the front or something. Garrett kindly jumped on board and gave us one off their display stand, so hopefully that's not too rusty. All the boys are doing some tinkering, perfect downtime. Jassy on the tools, slaving away as usual. Now, pink car keeps blowing fuses for the fuel pump, so I think he's going to replace the fuel pump and see if that gets rid of that issue. Maybe there's too much. Don't know. Fuel pump might be a bit old and dirty and hate life and blowing fuses. First driver of Falcon. We got him in the Reet mobile.
Talk to the hand.
LZ's just gone out in the Ute. I'd say that's the first Falcon he's ever driven. I could be wrong, but it's definitely going to be the best Falcon he's ever driven. So I'm actually very excited to see what he thinks of that thing. I reckon it could be cool. Apparently it's pretty dialed. I've never really driven it, but I know it's stiff as hell. Hopefully he enjoys it. We have taken it to a whole new level. If you want to be as high on life as I am right now, you need to go down keepreet.com and get some LZ merch. Do it, or I won't be happy with you. I'm here with the man, Mike Lake. How are we going, bro?
Look, it was going really good until we literally twisted my drive shaft.
God damn.
I've never seen it before. That's crazy. And guess what? We threw it at the shaft and we said, don't worry about bringing those because we never have an issue with them. Classic.
Every time.
Look, best case scenario, to be honest, someone's on their way to the shop to get them. 2 hours till qualifying, it's about 55 minutes to the shop and back, so we've got 10 minutes to put it in.
Yeah, sweet.
We'll be all gravy, but I'm taking the rear wheel drive Evo out anyway, just in case.
Nice, finally got it going.
Yeah, we've got it going, it'll fix. The
looking
team
good.
put the new front main seal on.
Yeah, everyone's going to be loving that thing. But regardless of your cars, how are you feeling out there?
Bro, this event is insane. I'm feeling so good. Like, even with the car braking, the vibes are high. We're sweet.
Yeah,
Don't worry
sweet.
about it,
That's what it's all about. The
Everyone
vibes
calls
are real good in this pit. Everyone's helping each other out.
so good.
Everyone's
Team's
breaking
insane.
shit and fixing shit, so that's what it's all about.
Right, we all said we're going to take it easy and then we push hard. We go 110%, but that's what we're
sweet.
here for. So.
Oh, I was keen to see you on the highlight reel, mate.
Yeah,
Have
hell
fun out
yeah.
there. Alright, here with the man, my favourite man in the pits, Marcus.
Oh, love you, mate.
The door punisher. As I have witnessed firsthand.
Crashy is big, I mean.
Hey, your car's looking in one piece.
I know.
Have you had any problems so far?
Few suspension issues and stuff, and obviously different knuckles, so we've had to play around a bit, but getting there, so it's pretty well dialed down. Hopefully we'll get the couple minor tweaks, and I think we'll be well sorted for this end of practice to now. So
That's what we like to hear, yeah, because it starts, qualifying's in 2 hours.
yeah, and
Yeah,
the
sweet.
practice, I think we've got an hour left to practice, so
Yeah,
left,
nice.
so we should be sweet.
How you feeling out there? Good?
85%.
This is your track, mate. This is your section of the track.
But there's so many good drivers and so many good cars.
There are a
It's
lot
freaking
of
ridiculous.
we've pulled together
Oh,
the
yeah.
best of the best in Australia and around the world. So
We can't win on 90.
we finally got some competition apart from AG and like 4 other people in Victoria.
We've got a lot of competition today.
Yeah, all
But
right.
hey, my car's still pretty clean, surprisingly enough. More damage was done by the marquee liner.
Yeah, someone keyed his car. Someone had it out.
Yeah.
Anyway, good luck out there, bro. Have fun.
Thank you.
Alrighty, mate. Your car is looking awfully in one piece, and actually a lot more. Well, I mean, everyone else is on jack stands and stuff every 5 seconds, and
Jay-Z, baby.
you seem to just come in and out and change tires.
It's just Jay-Z, mate. This is my layout. Car's
Oh, this is
reliable.
your layout.
It's my
I
layout,
was
mate.
talking to Marcus before, and he was kind of saying that it was his
Oh,
layout.
is that why I ran round one?
Trust AG to always get one up on everyone. But we finally got some competition for you.
100%, mate. 100%.
Yeah, sweet. How you feeling out there?
Yeah, good, man. Getting some really good runs in with everyone.
Yep.
Probably favourite runs for the day. None other than Marcus, obviously.
Yeah.
Who
Who would have thought?
would have thought? Yeah, it's just we're living those battles.
Yeah, sweet. Feeling consistent out there, but
Yeah, super
on
consistent.
the wall.
On wall, just the problem is I'm doing too many laps. So my car, like my tyres are going bald, and then literally I'm going into the wall and like pulling shallow,
Yeah.
like in some of the runs.
Too slippery.
Because I'm like doing like 10 laps.
Yeah.
The tyres are probably done like after.
Oh well, at least you're getting heaps of practice in. So
Yeah, 100%, man. I'm here for the vibes, bro.
I think one man to be afraid of this weekend is Saxon Moyes. Moyes or Moyes?
Saxon Moyes, yeah.
Moyes, yeah.
he's
Anyway.
been killing it.
Yeah, have you practiced with him at all yet?
It's his mark right there.
Oh, you've been called out, mate. Yeah, no,
He's
sweet.
killing it.
I was seeing
Nice
some chase runs with him and stuff, and he looks
Yeah.
like he's going to be some competition out there. So yeah,
100%.
I
It's
reckon
alright.
if there's anyone who can take him down, it's the man.
We'll just send them, mate.
Yeah,
We'll send them. We're here for the
100%.
vibes.
All right, cool. I'll see you out there, bro. Have fun. I'm here with Saxon Moyes. I just got to meet you yesterday. I saw him drive down at our World Time Attack recently and it was absolutely killing it. And now he's here on our track and he's killing it once again. Have you driven Calder Park before? You've never?
We were meant to early in the year for the Pro Series.
I've only got to see your car a couple of times. Like most of these other cars here I've seen before. But what have you got going on here?
So we're going to play the fixed obviously. Got a 2J in there, Septona, sequential, winter speed change. You know, the usual kind of.
Oh yeah,
That's
just the
Wise,
usual,
mate.
just the usual 8.6, just the winters in the back, the 2J. It looks like a real weapon out there. It seems like you can put it exactly where you want it, real dialed setup.
Cool.
Anyway, you got a bit more practice in you, and then you get out there.
We'll see how we go,
I
lad.
hope you kill it, bro. Good luck. We have the absolute beast of a car, and we have the beast of a driver and the beast of a tuner, and you're having nothing but issues.
Oh my gosh, we thought we got through all the issues. Well, we did 3 test days. Every single day didn't last more than 3 laps. Last Sunday was the day I made the decision that it is ready for LZ World Tour. Like I seriously, no mechanical issues. I blazed the track, went through all my tyres, and at Wilby, linked the whole track, and we were ready. We were ready to show what this can do, and
Until what happened?
We actually got in the car to go on track for the first
yeah,
session.
helmet on, warming up the car.
And just like what happened then, a car was going past dragging something and I'm like, what what's that noise? The cat's like, ah, it's the car, it's one of the other cars. And I'm like, oh, are you sure, And then when it went past, we're like, yeah, no.
And then they all passed, and the noise was still there. Trey goes, check our car! Like he's in the passenger seat, all strapped up in his helmet. He's like, is it our car? And I've got my helmet. I'm like, I don't think so. I'm like, oh yes, it's our car. Turn it off. Turn it off. I didn't even get out on track. I am so disappointed.
So this is a brand new engine. We bought it, it's good, and it's had a lifter failure, and it sounds like the lifter can't turn, but it sounds like what happens with the LS's when the lifter turns. It's chirping on the camshaft, and it's got like 5 mil of flash on one cylinder. It's just
not good. What is that motor again?
It's a Dodge R5 P7. It's out of the about 2007, 2008 NASCAR.
Yeah.
So.
NASCAR, that's what we wanted. There's no NASCAR engines here.
I was super excited to see this thing out there, and I've never seen Kat drive. Apparently, she is an old legend of the. You're an OG, aren't you?
OG.
Yeah, no, I can see you were so psyched to drive, and you guys have been punished with this motor. You guys have been trying for so long.
Got one more chance, and if it doesn't work, it's getting the 1,000 horsepower GM crate engine.
Yeah.
Heard it here first.
All right, we heard it here first. But yeah, all right. Hopefully, we get to see you drive soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the show. Look at that man. Hey, good day, mate. How we going today, mate?
Good. About to be in a qualifying.
Yeah, sweet.
I feel great in the Keen 33.
Yeah.
This car is so sick.
Yeah.
I'm like, it took me a little longer than I would like to figure out how to drive it. But as soon as I figured out how to drive it, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, that's what I got told yesterday, because I didn't get to watch any yesterday, but
Yeah.
people were saying, oh, you were struggling with it.
Struggling in the morning.
But then
Yeah.
you just it's like a
It was a light
switch,
switch,
and then you got it.
Yeah, so we changed a few things. I bumped the front tire pressure up about
Yeah, you
40
said the
PSI.
front grip was what did it. Hey?
Yeah, so we're at like almost 65 PSI in the front now, close to the front up, and it's a weapon.
Yeah,
this thing
sweet.
is a weapon. I'm so
glad.
excited.
I'm just so glad that you're just out there having so much fun.
Yeah, exactly. I just want to be as comfortable as possible to put on the best show.
Yeah.
Have
Because
fun.
even if there's little quirky bits about it.
Yeah, I can drive. I'll be able to drive through it.
Yeah, you'll learn how to drive it.
Yeah.
That's
Fucking
sweet. Good luck
man.
out there,
Thanks,
bro.
bro. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Take it home.
I'm trying.
The underdog.
The underdog.
We're back. Qualifying's just over. I'm here with Mucka Motorsport.
Just out there, just pumping out some entertainment, putting down some laps, getting some good smoke and angle, and then tomorrow it's gonna literally be about just entertaining the crowd,
Yeah.
keeping them happy.
Yeah,
so
sweet.
we're just tying ourselves in with that.
Yeah, because I was a bit confused. I'm thinking that some of those boys over there are also exhibition as well.
Yeah.
So you guys are just here to put on the show.
Yep.
And also you're obviously just sort of testing your car at the same time.
Yeah, hard out. Tested the car and myself, so we're both sort of developing together and speaking of experience. We're progressing big time, so
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I've seen you out there. Got to see a couple laps and got to hear the spice. This thing sounds amazing. But the one thing I noticed is you've just been going lap for lap for lap for lap on this motor, and it's sounding amazing. So I'm guessing it's going really good for you.
Oh, she's going good. Like the cooling of it, the performance, it's on. Like we're out there, and it's just literally just giving us a reliability lap after lap. We've got a few little gremlins of a new build.
Yeah.
Anyone's to expect, right?
Yeah,
so,
100%.
but it just keeps on battling through. So it was good. We were really cosmetic, and a couple of little things to sort, and we'll be back out there and hopefully on. tomorrow.
Yeah, sweet. Well, I mean, man, the fact that you're just coming out with this car fresh and you've been building it for so long, the only thing that isn't holding on is the tyres. So
Yeah,
that's
right,
mate,
which is good,
you
which is
can't
good.
ask for much more than that.
Hey, if they're getting wrecked, then that's what we want, right?
Yeah,
That's what we
100%.
want. So yeah.
Yeah, no, sounded good out there, bro.
Awesome, brother.
Put on a show for the crowd.
Yeah, sweet.
Jimmy, right? What happened, mate? Because I was in Scott's car.
I know. We we had a great run, and then my front grip decided to leave the chat.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, I know, because like just before that, 150 meters before that, you were on door action, mate.
Slow down enough where it's total it.
Yeah. Yeah, I was expecting it. I looked back, I was like, you were there for a second, then not there. Not at all. Just went out, got some laps with Scotty Miller, the legendary. I've been waiting to go in his car for a while, and I was not disappointed. His car is dialed and his driving is consistent. Love it. You might have seen Grant had a little bingle with the wall there, but Grant was looking spicy before that. Yeah, they got heaps of laps in yesterday, so I think they know how they were driving, and yeah, it was door-on-door action until it was Grant-on-wall action. Where'd you end up placing yesterday? Where'd you qualify? 13th?
Lucky 13.
Yeah, sweet, the underdog.
Number 13 car out, now I come 13, so
Yeah, sweet. Oh well, hopefully you can creep your way up the
hopefully
ladder.
better than 13 today.
Yeah. Who's your first opponent there on the tree? Oh! I distracted him. Got him. It was all planned. Oh,
Your race shoes, mate.
oh no.
My bad, bro. All good, man.
Let it slide this time. So who's your first battle on the tree?
Jordan Sanderson in the U, so
How you feeling about that one there, mate?
oh, it should be good.
Yeah.
Just here to put on a show, mate, so I'll try and push right up to the top. But, mate, all smiles around here, so I'm having an absolute blast.
Yeah, sweet. Exactly. That's what it's all about. The vibes are high. It's looking like a real fun time.
How'd you like your passenger laps?
Yeah, no, mate, was not disappointed at all. I've been waiting to go. I've been waiting to go with this guy for a while, and
AZ power instead of those cheesy RBs.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, I was asking him, and this motor's been going for 10 years.
That's just with me.
Yeah, exactly. Before that, it was 5 years in 80JP. That's what happens when you don't get greedy. But no, that 2J loves it. This thing's dialed.
1J, brother.
Yeah.
1J.
Oh, 1J.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I've been thinking 2J this whole
Yeah, well,
time.
no, 1J, bro.
Yeah, never mind. My bad. You learn something new every day, but no, this thing's sick. And your driving is on point, mate.
Jeez, brother.
Loving it.
Alright, so we probably forgot to film an outro as well, so here I am again. We had a great weekend. There was a few ups and downs, a few emotions flying around by the end of it. The team was absolutely working their ass off, myself included, and it was stressful. But we got there in the end and we made that huge event happen thanks to working with LZMFG, James and Adam, and Dave and the Drift Games crew. And of course our crew did all the behind the scenes, did the live stream, did absolutely everything, so it was amazing to be part of it. So I quickly thank the sponsors for supporting the Reet fleet, but also of course the wagon. So we got Autobahn, PWR, MPC, SP Tools, Kansai Wheels, Optima Batteries, Acostal, Hypergear Turbos, Ross Performance, Haltech ECU, Pertec Bayswater, Raceworks, VSC Performance, and Shockworks and Nitto. So thanks to all of them, and also that's a good one. Thanks to all the names that jumped on the roof. So that was only supposed to be for the D1NZ season, but we ended up dragging out for the whole year. So obviously we're off to the States next, and we've got something pretty cool planned for the final finale for the car before we send it off. So make sure you stay tuned. Click that like and subscribe if you haven't. And I think we might even do another one of them for next year. So if you're thinking about it, we'll get up a link soon. And you can tag the WAGs for the US adventures. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to the whole Reet team for this event and the LZ World Tour. Had a great time. Unfortunately, the car let us down, but she's ready to go. US, look out. See you next time.